Hey beauty bears, Waah Gwaan, welcome back to another video on my channel. How are y'all doing? So for today's video I'll be doing some long nails, long nails, XXL, yeah, XXL long nails for y'all today. I won't be doing a lot of talking, but I just want to big up to the persons who have subscribed to my channel recently and the new persons who have coming in and out. I hope you enjoy the content that I do post, and hopefully one day you guys can subscribe to my channel. So as I've mentioned, today I'll be doing some long nails, green long nails. So the whole plan for this nail was to do some kermit nails, but it was late and I decided, okay, alright, I'll do it in another video. So ensure that you are subscribed to my channel. The bell is tapped so you get notified each and every time that I do upload, because I upload twice a week every week, and I don't have a designated time to when I post, so ensure that the bell is tapped. So for today's video I'll be using nude peach, lime green and lemon green. Sounds so conflicting, but that's the name that I'll be giving these colors because I customized these colors, or I made these colors. So yeah, so those are the two colors, and I'll be encapsulating this clear, and that's about it. Nothing really fancy to these nails. You know, some have to put on the bling onto the nails and some glitter on the pinky. Not much going on there. I mean, there's something going on there, but no extraness now go on. Okay, so I'll be, for the middle finger, I'll be doing a straight lime green nail, due to the fact because I was going to put kermit on that nail, and then I decided, okay, alright, it's a little bit late, so let me just finish up this video by just, you know, shaping, filing, and then doing all, you know, the niceness on the nail, and then revealing it to you guys. This nail was very fun. As I've mentioned in my previous video, that I went through a nail crisis where I could not think of anything to do on my nails, but now I have ideas rolling in. You know, I know you're going to go through that period where you just don't have any, you know. Yeah, I don't know what to do today for today's video. Yeah, but there's a whole bunch of video coming through, so ensure that you guys are subscribed to my channel and the bell is tapped, and also follow me on Instagram at BareBeauty.Services. And I hope you guys do enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I see ya.